Hello everyone. Today I will speak about the ancient river valley civilization, Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia means land between rivers. It lies in the triangular valley between the rivers, the Tigris and the Euphrates. The area falls within the region known as the Fertile Crescent. You can see in the map very clearly Mesopotamia is the fertile area that is green in color. It is pointed at the ends and it is wider in between. Mesopotamians believed in the divine right theory of kingship, which means that the kings and the queens, they were the incarnations of the gods, they descended from the gods, and they were the representatives of the gods. The social structure consisted of the three parts: the upper end, the middle level, and the lower end. The upper end of the society, which had kings, members of the royal family, the priests, and the high officials. The middle level consisted of the farmers, artisans, and traders. At the lower end were the slaves. The family, the Mesopotamians lived in the patriarchal society. Patriarchal society means the male members were given importance in the family. The father was the head of the family, and the females were not allowed to move out. The girls never went to school. They were to help their mothers in housekeeping. The Mesopotamian cities were divided into three parts: the sacred area, the walled city on a mount, and the outer town. The sacred area in between had ziggurats. Ziggurats were the temple towers. They were used for offices and storehouses. The walled city on a mount and the outer town, they were the residential areas. The three main occupations of the Mesopotamians included agriculture, they did farming, and also were involved in fishing and domestication of animals. They traded mostly in grain and textiles. They imported stone, timber, and metals. Basically, traded with countries like Asia, Africa, and Europe. Each city had its own special god or goddess. The king was considered as the representative of God on earth. Mesopotamians believed in life after death. Mesopotamians, as far as arts and crafts were concerned, they developed the art of metal and copper working, glass and lamp making, pottery making and weaving. Copper, bronze, and later iron were used for making armors, as well as the weapons such as swords, daggers, maces, and spears. Mesopotamians were very well known for their beautiful architecture. They included ziggurats and hanging gardens of Babylon. Ziggurats or temple towers were massive pyramid like structures you can see in the picture. These pyramids were made from the sun baked bricks and they looked like human made mountains soaring very high. It had several stories, and in between, schools, observatories, granaries, and centers for trade were made. The ziggurat at Ur is the best preserved one. Then the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, very famous. They were situated near the royal palace and it was built by King Nebuchadnezzar II. During their leisure time, the Mesopotamians were involved in hunting, boxing, and wrestling. The script was named as the cuneiform script. Pictures were used as words. The script is also called a pictogram, and they used to write on soft clay tablets using a wedge shaped stylus or pen made from reed, bone, or metal. So you can see the pictogram on the soft clay tablet, which is being given in here as the script. The Mesopotamians, they worked a 12-month calendar based on the cycles of the phases of the moon. They divided the year into two seasons, summer and winter. The Mesopotamians contributed the numeral system to the modern day mathematics, and the first wheeled vehicles were also invented by them. As far as legal system was concerned, Hammurabi, very famous king of Babylon, he was very famous and is still today for his set of laws, and the set of laws is known as the Code of Hammurabi. It has 282 case laws dealing with family, economy, civil, and criminal cases. The code is carved on a nearly 8 feet high stone column. Through these codes, the king looked after the weak, poor, and the needy. The reasons for the decline of the Mesopotamians were the soil became less fertile, the invasions were made by the Hittites of Anatolia, sandstorms and winds buried the civilization beneath a desert. The main contributions, let us not forget, the cuneiform script, the numeral system, the wheeled vehicles, and the Code of Hammurabi that they gave to the modern society. Thank you.